Hello everyone. Today we will study about objectives of business. After going through this module, you will be able to understand what business objectives are and what are the different types of business objectives. Let's start with the meaning of business objectives. Objectives are the goals. These are the targets to be achieved by the business organizations. Now, every business is required to achieve two types of objectives. One that is related with the earning of profits, that we better know as economic objectives, and the second one that is fulfillment of social responsibility, and these objectives are known as social objectives. That you can see in the slide, different types of economic and social objectives are being given. Let's discuss them one by one. The first objective of every business is to earn more and more profits. As you all know, profit is necessary to cover all the cost, to cover all the risk in the business. And it is profit which motivates a businessman to undertake more and more business activities. So, the first and the foremost requirement of every business is to earn more and more profits. Now, the second economic objective, it is survival. And when the survival is possible, when you are able to sell your product, that means you are able to capture a reasonable share of your market. And especially survival is more crucial for every business when there is cutthroat competition in the market and when you are new in your business. Third objective of every business is growth. That means management of every business must add to its prospects in the long run. And how can you say that a business is growing? By looking at its sales volume, sales turnover, or number of branches, number of products offered by the business, or it may be the number of employees. Fourth economic objective, it is innovation. Innovation means to add new features or to produce a different product or to introduce a new method of marketing your product. And why you need to innovate? Simply, if you will be able to offer something new to the customer, only then you will be able to capture a big share in the market. You will be able to make profits. Every time you will have to keep on introducing something new in your product to survive for the long time in business. Now the last economic objective, it is the optimum utilization of available resources, be it man, material, money or machinery. You need to make best possible use of these resources so that you can make maximum profit. This is all about economic objectives. Now let's start with the social objectives. First social objective, to supply quality goods to the society at fair prices. Quality. It matters a lot for the customer. It ensures durability. It ensures purity. And how can you check the quality of a product? By checking quality certification marks, like in case of electronic gadgets, whenever you buy an electronic gadget, which quality mark will you check? You will check whether it has ISI mark or no. So, first social objective is to supply quality goods at fair prices. Only then you will be able to get loyal customers and you will be able to capture new customers. Second social objective, it is not to indulge in any type of antisocial or unfair trade practices. It may be adulteration, it may be misleading advertisement, it may be black marketing. You should avoid such type of practices. Why? Because in short run, you may be able to earn more profits through these practices, but in the long run, if you follow these practices, then definitely the people who will suffer due to this, they will raise their voice, and government intervention in that case will increase. That may prove to be very costly for the business. Now the third social objective is generation of employment. Unemployment, it is the basic problem that every society is facing. So every business, it is expected to undertake such activities, to undertake such projects which will generate more and more employment opportunities for the people. And it is the moral responsibility of every businessman that it should try to undertake such activities, that may be by opening new branches, or that may be by extending their distribution channels. Somehow they are required to generate employment opportunities so that we can overcome the problem of unemployment in our society. Next social objective, it is fulfillment of responsibility towards your employees. It is employees who are giving their time to the business, although they are getting salary for their services, but whatever amount business is paying to them as salary, that should be reasonable. They should be given fair wages and salaries. Further, time to time, they must be given opportunities for growth and development. They should be provided better working conditions, insurance facility, medical facility. It will boost up their morale and they will be motivated to give their best to the organization. And the last but the most important social responsibility is to take care of the interest of the society, to take care of the interest of the community by providing them services like opening charitable hospitals, dispensaries, schools, and it is the main responsibility of every businessman to contribute something to the society. Like recently, you can see Ratan Tata, he has contributed 1500 crores to PM CARES Fund to fight against Corona. So, these are the various types of objectives, and a business should be carried on in such a way that along with earning of profits, It is able to provide valuable services to the society. It is able to uplift the standard of living of the society. So, we can conclude that profit is not the sole objective of every business. It is one of the main objectives, but not the only objective. So, business must be carried on in such a way that along with earning of profits, you are able to take care of the interest of the society, because all the resources society has given to you. So, you should keep society interest on the top. This is all about objectives of business. Good day to all of you.